What's going on, traders? Welcome back to another video. This is the most important video I have ever made on the channel, so I would greatly appreciate if you took the time and watched the entire video. We go live every single day, market open and power hour, Monday through Friday. If you find any value in live technical analysis and live market updates, take action by hitting the subscribe button down below. Without further ado, let's get right into how AMC and GameStop are being manipulated via the OTC markets and dark pool. That is why the short sale restriction is not helping at all. It's completely useless. We're going to cover that right now. 52% of the total volume today, guys, was via dark pools. I'll have all the links to all the information down below if you're interested in checking that out. Now, you might be asking yourself, what is a dark pool? Is it legal? It is completely legal. They are done not to disrupt the market due to the immense and enormous size of the orders done by hedgies. Hedgies have access to dark pools. Institutions, the order size is unknown, hence the name dark pool. Us as retail traders, retail investors, we don't have access to these dark pool exchanges. As of February 2020, there are 50 dark pools registered with the SEC. Now, you might be asking yourself, why are these stocks still falling if the short sale restriction is put into place? The shorts are avoiding the short sale restriction via the over-the-counter, the OTC, which is not regulated but still tracked by FINRA. Take a look at this straight from the FINRA website. We'll pull this up really quick. 2 billion shares traded on AMC over the counter with a total of 7.3 million trades. How is this possible? They are hiding this via OTC, guys. Citadel, who is what? A market maker who has access to trade on OTC. Market makers, 1 billion shares traded by Citadel. Last updated March 1st. This is over a 2-week period. This is not even including, this is 2 times the float. This is not including the fake shares that they are trading. This is insane. Even for GameStop, if we pull this up here on GameStop, GameStop is showing 525 million shares OTC with 5.7 million trades. Again, who is the number one? Citadel. If we pull up other tickers, take for example GMED, there's only 12,000 trades on there with a million volume. They are hiding this from us. Now, you might be asking yourself, short exempt, what is that? That allows shorts to short a stock on the downtick. Despite the short sell restriction being in place, this makes it completely useful, which makes sense as to why these stocks are still pulling back. If we are holding and we aren't selling, why is it still dropping? These drops look so fabricated. I even went ahead and reached out to Think or Swim and I asked them, is AMC a hard to borrow stock? And they said yes. They replied yes with the 1.2% 5 fee. Fintel is also showing. I know we kind of hate on Fintel. We despise Fintel. Even GameStop themselves said it on their 10K on page 15. They also mentioned and talked about a squeeze which we'll cover right now. But on Fintel, guys, there are 0 short shares available for GameStop. Also, keep that fee on watch for AMC. It is slowly rising. Fintel themselves say this does not account for dark pools and it should be used with it should be taken with a grain of salt. So keep that in mind. Even GameStop themselves on page 15 on their filing. Yesterday we talked about the 10K filing and how there are certain key phrases. It is worded so precisely that they can possibly be hinting of a short squeeze. It says a short squeeze due to a sudden increase in demand for shares of our Class A common stock, which we own and which we trade, that largely exceeds supply has led to and may continue to lead to extreme price volatility and shares of our Class A common stock. Towards the bottom, it says information available in public media that is published by third companies, including blogs, articles, message boards, and other social media may include statements not attributable to the company and may not be reliable or accurate. So again, take everything with a grain of salt, including the Fintel short interest report. It should come out in the next couple hours. By the time you're watching this, it's possibly already out. Also, watch these decimal sizes on the times and sales. Us retail do not have access to those type of trades versus these unknown institutions and hedgies. For example, these trades would come in like at 1.190.04541. That is not retail trading, guys. As for some technicals, both of these stocks are way oversold. GameStop is under EMA, under SMA. We're still waiting to find some support, which happens to still be around the late February, early March numbers, around 120, which we're currently standing at. For AMC, on the other hand, as well, under EMA, under SMA slightly. We got rejected off the EMA here, but I still think this is going to hold the SMA, and we're still waiting for that dramatic bounce. Both of these stocks are oversold. That pretty much concludes this video, guys. If you guys found this video of any value, make sure you slap a like, subscribe, drop a comment down below, and I will see you guys tomorrow for yet another battle. Peace out.